Hi everyone, this is Aditya. Let me start my conversation with the saying life is full of surprises. So, after a roller coaster last year, when it seemed like things are going back to normal, comes COVID part 2. And I'm sure, apart from worrying about one's near and dear ones, one would also be thinking, will the markets correct sharply again this time? I don't know the answer to that question, but what I know is market does not react to the same problem twice. Also, last year's memory would be fresh in people's mind that economies and markets are much more resilient than what we think. Hence, I don't expect markets to correct sharply this time, and it will see beyond the shorter term problem. Secondly, one is seeing the broader economy do very well, and with that, the broader markets also doing well. But in spite of a very sharp performance last year, the BSE small cap index is just up 20%, and the BSE mid cap index is just up 25% over the last 3 years, which gives it further a lot of room to outperform further from here on. So, net net, I would think that one should use whatever correction one gets to increase the allocation to equities, but keeping in mind one's overall asset allocation in mind. So that is a broad construct of the market in my view. So how is the large and mid cap fund positioned? Firstly, if I divide the fund into two parts, first is stocks which have been impacted out of COVID, and secondly, stocks which have not been impacted much out of COVID. So around 63% allocation in the portfolio is towards stocks which have been impacted out of COVID. So going ahead, as and when things normalize, I would feel that this part of the portfolio will do very well. Secondly, this is a multi-cap fund, which is always managed like a 50-50 kind of fund, which means that at all points of time, around 50% of the allocation is towards large cap and around 50% of the allocation is towards mid and small cap. Uh, Thirdly, what are the themes we are playing in the fund? Firstly, private sector financial would be around one third in the fund. Uh, One has been positively surprised how the asset quality has behaved for a lot of these well managed financials in a crisis situation like COVID. So, going ahead, I would expect these well managed financials to take disproportionate market share from the weaker ones. And when that happens, you will see these companies do very well. So, I continue to be very bullish on this theme, and this accounts for around one third of the total portfolio. Secondly, consumption linked stocks would be around 29% of the portfolio. On an overall basis, consumption still remains the best play on India's demographics, but it is going through some shorter term problem due to COVID. But I'm sure that as things come back to normal and people go back to their normal life, you will see consumption bounce back very strongly in a lot of these discretionary categories. Hence, we have a large allocation of around 20%, 29% to this theme. Thirdly, healthcare would be around 15% of the fund. Uh, Look, COVID has made us realize the importance and value of good health. Hence, going ahead, I would expect people would continue spending on across the value chain of healthcare. Hence, we are playing this theme through being present in pharma companies, through diagnostic company, and also through hospitals. So that is the broader themes we are playing in the fund. So just to summarize, one, portfolio continues to be a well-balanced portfolio, but it has a larger tilt towards economic recovery play at this juncture. Secondly, portfolio is a multi-cap fund having a 50-50 allocation towards large cap and mid and small cap in the fund. So that's the broad thought process on the fund. Thank you all for listening to me, and wish you all good health going ahead. Thank you all.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.